Hey YouTube, it's Mark. We're back here. We're going to do a tour of our shop truck. Give you guys an idea of what we drive around. It's a 2007 Utilimaster on a Freightliner chassis with a 5.9 Cummins common rail diesel and an Allison 1000 transmission. Let's take a look around. Here's the outside of it, driver's side. All right, now let's step inside and take a tour of the back. Over on my right-hand side, I have my paper towel dispenser, my trash can, my cleaning solvent, a remote for the lights over top of my bench top. To my right, I have the power tools I use the most often. This is where I keep my 3/8 drive sockets and my 1/4 drive wobbly sockets. Tape measure, spare battery, grease gun, oil, pumps, gear lube, everything stays over here. Used motor oil, new motor oil, everything's on this side. And over here we have our bench grinder and our 120 power outlet that powers the bench grinder. We also have some tool storage here, picks, wire brushes, things of that nature that we keep over here. Small 1/4 drive sockets, little oddball stuff. I keep my tools here in a bag. A lot of times I have jobs that require me to walk out to the boat, so this way I can carry my basic hand tools to the job. This is my laptop, and this I rent the tools for some other outboards that I work on. Here's my Mac toolbox chest. Basic, but it works. In case you really got to do those tough jobs, you know. And in Florida, we all carry one of these, an umbrella. Here, I have basic items such as thermostats. Let's see, we got fuel filters, you know, just basic tune-up items that we use. Primer bulbs, zincs, water pump kits. I have other Yamaha parts down here, spark plugs, just your normal service items that you would use on an outboard, a Yamaha outboard. Here I carry spare spark plugs for other size motors. I have my squirrel cage fan right here to help cool down the back of the truck. This is my rooftop fan. We're going to shut it off because apparently it's going to make a lot of noise for the background for you guys. When I did the truck, I put 12-volt power in, and this is my fuse panel I recessed in. This is my 110 outlet circuits for my 2 outlets right here. I try to recess it all in to make it not take up as much room. We used 1/2 inch plywood around the walls, 3/4 on the front, 1 inch of insulation behind all the side walls. I installed 2 LED lights in conjunction with the factory lights. I installed these LED lights. I do have plans to install this here, and I do have power ran already to that spot. Here I have things like oil filters, fuel filters, different size oil filter, some silicone spray, odds and ends, some fuel filter housings. Down here I have my Milwaukee battery charger and my other 110 outlet for the truck. Down here is just a mess. I carry spare fuel, a shop fuel tank. This is my homemade gear case stand for outboards. We got torque wrenches down here. We got a spare electrical parts in case something is broken. If I have it, I can get the job done and get out. Hose clamps, just odds and ends. There's a box down here. It's got different pumps, bilge pumps, bait well pumps, things of that nature. This is my electrical box. Nothing in here. Nothing in my truck is pretty, but it's functional. This is my electric box. You have your pinks, your blues, your yellows. Down here I have spare fuses and jumpers. Up here is usually the tools that I would use. I have all my trim tools down here. This is my chair because I'm a fat guy. Fat guys need a chair. I carry lots of moving blankets to put on boats to keep me from trashing. Take a look. Here's a driver's compartment. Here's our Renogy 2000 watt inverter. That's our power management, battery switch, and circuit breaker. It's our refrigerator. Here we have our phone charger, our Allison 1000 transmission 5-speed, boost gauge, EGT gauge, it's our split screen monitor, does passenger side and rear view, fan, business card holder. Now we'll take a look at the engine. Got a 5.9 Cummins common rail. Unfortunately, when I bought this truck, it was running. I had it painted. As soon as I got it painted, this decided to give up the ghost. So we had to pull it out and rebuild it. So that's what we did. Put all new pistons in it. I have photos of all that. All new injectors. So we appreciate you watching our video of our 2007 Utilimaster Freightliner MT45 chassis truck with a Cummins 5.9 liter common rail and Allison 1000 5-speed transmission. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll try to get back to you. Thank you.